performance. Please sit quietly and listen to these important messages from Miss Fairfax.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon, girls and boys. And a very warm welcome to everyone, all our parents who have come along. That was a bit special. Wow. Can we give these people a big round of applause again? And I hope that all our mums and dads have got some great photos, because there were some really superb faces and some actions on the stage. Now, girls and boys, I'm going to just share with you a couple of messages